Hey everyone, welcome back to the Django Crash Course. If you are building a Django project, one of the coolest tools at your disposal is the Django Admin panel. It is a powerful auto-generated interface for managing your app's data. And in this video, we'll walk through how to use it step by step. Let's dive in. Django Admin is a built-in interface that lets you manage your data in the project without writing raw SQL or building a separate dashboard. Think of it as your project's control panel. Ideal for content managers, support team, or developers during testing. First, make sure in your core settings.py file in the installed apps, Django contrib.admin is listed. Then in your urls.py file, make sure there is a path for the admin.site.urls. This is the inbuilt Django admin panel. Once you're done with it, first of all, we need to create a superuser. For that, we are going to run the command python manage.py create superuser. Press enter. And now we are going to give the username. Give it this at gmail.com. Put some password. Type the password again. Yes. And now superuser has been created. Now we are going to start our app, python manage.py run server, and then we are going to visit it, and this is the authentication page. But right now we want to access the admin app, so we will go to /admin. Here you can see Django admin panel login page. Let's log in with the same credentials we just used to create a new user, and here you can see the Django admin panel. Right now you won't be seeing anything here other than this groups model, but let's make it useful by registering our own models. For this, we are going to go to our app. Now we are going to register task model so that we can manage it via admin panel. For that, we are going to open up the admin.py file, and here we will write admin.site.register, and we will provide our model. From todo.models import task, and here we have registered the task. If we go back and reload, you will be able to see a new model appear here. If I open it up, I can add task like here, testing admin panel, testing default settings completed. If I save it, you can see the task we just created is here. Similarly, we can register our user model as well. Our user model is in the authentication app. In the admin.py file in the authentication app, we will write the same code, admin.site.register, and we provide the user model. With this, if I go back and reload, we can see the user task. Right now, what you are seeing is the default admin interface. Let's start customizing user interface. For this, in our to-do admin.py file, we are going to customize our task admin UI. For that, we are going to create the model admin class. Task admin inherits from model admin. This model admin from Django.contrib.admin import model admin, and here we will define what information should be displayed in the task admin list display, and we want to display the title Let me just open up the model to the right side. So we have title, description completed. I want to show the title, the description, and whether it is completed or not. Completed. So I've listed all the fields that I want to show. Now, along with registering the task, we have to define the admin to be used. So we will write here task admin. I'll just move this line down. If I go back to my Django admin and reload, you can see the information that we have listed here in the list display. Similarly, we want to be able to search tasks using titles. For that, we'll write search fields, and we are going to provide the fields that should be used for searching. So here is a tuple, and we are including the title field for searching our task. If I reload, you can see a search bar up here. If I search for testing, you can see we have a task with the title containing testing. Let's create a new one. Complete course Django tutorial. It is completed. If I click save and reload, you can see that new task is not visible because currently it is showing the result for this. If I remove it and press enter, you can see we have two tasks with these titles. If I search for complete, it is going to show me only the task with the field having the word complete. Similarly, we'll add list underscore filter to add filters to our admin. We want to filter based on whether it is completed or not. And once it is done, if I reload, you can see the filter panel here. All tasks. I'll remove this. This gives all tasks. This gives the ones that are completed. If I go and update an existing task and make it incomplete, now only one is visible with the completed as true. If I click on no, it shows the task that is not completed. This makes your data much more easier to manage. You can search, you can filter, and you can view important fields at the glance, just like we added the completed field for our task model. Filtering and searching in Django admin is super helpful when you are dealing with a lot of records. Just a few lines of code in your admin.py file and you can make your admin interface way more powerful. And that's a wrap on Django admin. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Drop any questions in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more Django and full stack content. See you in the next one.